Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from the Mastercard, Tech Mahindra, another important company. So if you are the freshers looking for some important job opportunity, then this video is for you. So first important opportunity from the Mastercard, they are hiring for the role of software engineer R and job location in Gurgaon. And this is a full-time role. So last day to apply, they are clearly mentioning 30th of April. So if you haven't applied, must apply with updated resume. Now talking a little bit more about this role. So this role is means you will basically develop reusable R function and package support analysis and automation, design, build shiny apps, and these are the other things you can go through it. So what are the requirements they are asking? You should be proficiency in R and RS Studio. Remember, R is basically a programming language. So if you have some knowledge in SQL and you are proficient enough, then you can apply for this. Next important ability, that is from the Vertiv, they are hiring graduate engineer training GET in Pune locations. So if you are from BTech, electrical, electronics or mechanical branches, then you can apply for this. Salary you can get up to 4.5 LPA. And these are the key responsibility. You will assist in engineering, design and other. You can just go through it. So I'll provide all the apply link in the description. So you can just apply from them directly. Okay, so when you will click the application link, then this page will be open and they've clearly mentioned about the roles, about the packages they are providing. So this is a full-time role and freshers can apply for this. If you're interested, you can apply. And moving to our next important opportunity, that is from the tortoise. So they are also looking the freshers, and if you have some experience, then this is a wonderful opportunity. So tortoise job listen from DevOps and full stack. So this is basically a good you can say startup company, and we are backed by top tier investor like Vortex Venture, Venue, Better Capitals and other. And role they are hiring, that is for the backend engineer, DevOps and cloud, 1 to 3 years of experience. Means if you have some knowledge experience, then you can apply. But if you are the fresher, then you can apply for full stack developer role. Okay, so for full stack developer, this is work from office role. You will support backend development and API integration, build and enhance front-end experience, contribute to web development and feature rollout. And you can just go through it. So if you are from the BTech background, I have some experience or knowledge from Python, Node.js, Next.js, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, so make sure to choose the roles accordingly, according to your knowledge and experience, and apply with updated resume. Okay, students are also getting reward who are applying with updated resume. Okay, next important opportunity, that is the summer internship, especially for the college students. So Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, and this is a government institution. So they have announced the hiring for the summer research internship in petroleum and energy, and student pursuing second, third, and BTech first year MSc program, they are eligible for this. So these are the some dates. Opening date is March 20 and last date to apply is 10. So tomorrow will be the last date. So make sure to apply as soon as possible, and selected students will stay in hostel campus and eligible students are required to register online. Okay, so this is wonderful opportunity, don't miss this. Okay, and period you should be available, that is 6 week between May 19 and July. And provision for intern, no internship fee, hostel accommodation free and mess charge are applicable. Means you will have to just pay mess charge. So if you're interested, you can apply for this or share with any your junior if you are wanting. Okay, tortoise, I think I already provided update. Moving to next, that is from the Mahindra, and this is a campus hiring 2026. So Mahindra, you know, a good company. Okay, so they have announced the hiring. So earlier they have announced the GET hiring, and I already provided update for that. I think currently off campus has not been announced yet. So this is a kind of on campus. So what you can do is they have currently opening for SGET for engineering students of specified stream, focus on solar tractor and graduate agriculture engineering training, GGAT. So what you can do, you can just check here whether your college are eligible or not. Okay, so who can apply? Related area BE, BTech and ME, MTech students of 2026 pass out are legal for this, and 60% aggregate you should have. Also, you can say PGET, GET, which is the graduate engineering training, they have application will be closed. Okay, and those who are following our channel, I think they have already applied for that. But for SGET, you can still apply. For applying, just you have to click here, and CGAT you can see. Okay, so participation campus here you can just see here Chitkara University, GL Bajaj, and other universities and colleges are there. So if you're interested, you can apply for this. Okay, and for CGAT also too. Just check all those colleges list and you can apply accordingly. Okay. So friends, if you have been selected for the TCS interview, so we have already provided lots of video related to TCS. So if you're selected and want to schedule the mock interview with us, then you can fill in the form. We will provide you complete guidance and support, which will basically increase your chances in your the upcoming hiring. Okay. Next opportunity, that is from the friend. I think this yeah, they are no longer accepting the responses. You can say within 6 hours they are not accepting the responses. So that's the reason I'm saying that keep applying for off-campus drive as soon as possible. Don't miss any important opportunity. Okay. So hope it informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.